An eSIM is an embedded SIM, a programmable chip built into your phone, tablet, or smartwatch. Unlike traditional physical SIM cards, eSIMs are rewritable via software, allowing you to switch carriers or plans without physically swapping cards. In the US, all major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile support eSIM. To prepare for transfer, ensure your device is eSIM compatible. Most modern smartphones from 2018 onwards support eSIM, including iPhone XS and later, and many recent Android models from Samsung, Google, and OnePlus. Also, confirm that your device is unlocked so you can transfer freely between carriers if needed. Back up your contacts and important data as a precaution before starting the process. The most common way to transfer a physical SIM to an eSIM in the US is via a QR code. Contact your carrier, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, etc., to request an eSIM transfer. They will provide you with a QR code, either through their app, website, or customer service. On your device, go to the eSIM settings. For iOS, go to Settings, Cellular, Add eSIM. For Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network plus icon. Scan the QR code provided by your carrier. Your device will then download and install the eSIM profile. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate the eSIM. This process typically deactivates your physical SIM. Once activated, test your connectivity to ensure everything is working correctly. Now you can safely remove the physical SIM from your device. Note that transfers are typically free but require an active account. Keep the QR code secure as it contains sensitive profile data.